Welcome back to Just MS News. I'm especially excited about our first two stories this week because we've been watching the potential of myelin repair and CAR T cell therapy for years. These ideas once felt distant, but now we're seeing a growing body of preclinical research along with early phase 1 studies beginning to explore what may be possible. This week, researchers are using lab grown mini brains to better understand myelin repair. Sheffield has treated its first MS participant with experimental CAR T cell therapy, and Cleveland Clinic has revised how its MS team responds when someone reports suicidal thoughts. There is a real reason for cautious optimism in the first two stories, but they remain early research. We will also look at the practical importance of the third story, then finish with a handful of other MS stories from the week that are worth checking out.